Audi RSQ8, brand new, customer's got it secure with a Starline Pro and a Scorpion Track S5 insurance approved tracking system where you carry this tag. The tag's not in the vehicle and the vehicle moves, the tracking company's going to give you a call, let you know someone's trying to steal it. With the Starline Pro, if they break into your house, take this bunch of keys, go to steal the car, it's not going to start up. If they try again, it's going to start up, select a gear, it's going to cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it without a push sequence, or you pair your phone up. So we'll start the car, put a push sequence in unique to the customer. 1, 2, 3 we've got for now for the video. Disarm tone, we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. If you don't want to waste your time with the pin code, just have the Bluetooth on your phone, get in the car, start it up. It will disarm through the phone and you can drive away. No need to waste time doing a pin code. Customers to change the code, they can. So anything between 3 and 21 presses, totally unique to them. And the system can also be put into service mode when it goes back to Audi, which turns the entire immobiliser off, removing the need to put a pin code or leave your phone in the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is Starline Pro and an insurance approved S5 tracking system. Thanks for watching.